art is... Hey, what's up, Maplewood? It's me, Kevin Durant, you know. It's me, LeBron James. I love art. It's me, Elena Deladon, you know, the MVP of the WNBA and WNBA champion. Woo. You know, they call me the GOAT. My name is Michael Jordan, and I'm here to introduce your art lessons today. Hey, it's me, Dwayne Wade, you know, legendary guard for the Miami Heat, three-time champion, king of Miami and Wade County. I'm here to introduce your art lessons. Here to introduce some of your new art lessons for the day. So, I hope you really enjoy this. Hey guys! So for this art choice, we are outside with my little girl Lena. Lena, say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera when you say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys! And we are going to use all of this stuff that we found to make some word art. Check it out. We have this baggie of stuff we collected from nature. So we've got some tree bark and some flowers, some dandelions, a couple rocks, all of this stuff that we gathered up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use all of this stuff to turn into some word art. So you have to work on your spelling a little bit, I guess, but we're gonna make some words that really make people feel better about being at home or being kind of like the other day I was a little sad, and so I want to do a word maybe that would cheer me up a little bit. You can come up with the word, you can write it out and spell it out with stuff from nature that you can find, and then post it and send it in to us. Some other word choices, I was picturing maybe caring, love, peace, harmony. That one has more letters. But you choose the word, you choose the things from nature to spell with, and then let's see what you can build. Alright, good luck. Say bye-bye, Lanes.